In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your Slack status as away. This is a handy feature for managing your online presence, whether you're stepping away for a break, in a meeting, or simply need to focus without interruptions. Setting your Slack status not only helps convey your current availability to your team, but also ensures smooth communication by setting the right expectations. First, let's begin by opening the Slack application on your desktop. Once logged in, look towards the top of your screen where you'll see your profile icon located at the upper right corner. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll spot an option that says Set yourself as away. By clicking it, your status will immediately change to away, reflecting this change to your Slack contacts. However, if you're using the Slack mobile app, the steps are slightly different but equally straightforward. Open the Slack app on your smartphone and tap on the U tab situated at the bottom right of the screen. This tab is where all your user information and preferences reside within the app. Once here, simply tap on Set yourself as away. You'll notice that your status indicator will promptly switch to the away symbol, letting your coworkers know you're not currently available. It's useful to note that while setting your status manually as away is simple, Slack can also automatically adjust your status when your device is inactive for a period of time. However, taking control and setting it yourself ensures the message is clear and immediate. Another tip for desktop users is to use Slack's handy keyboard shortcuts. If you prefer a quicker method, you can set your status as away by pressing Command plus Shift plus Y on a Mac or Control plus Shift plus Y on Windows. This efficient shortcut allows you to toggle your status without navigating through menus, keeping your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Remember to set your status back to active once you're ready to engage again. Simply follow the same steps. Click your profile and select Set Yourself as Active or toggle it with the shortcut. Clear communication is essential in any team environment, and using Slack's status feature effectively aids in maintaining that clarity. So, whether you're stepping out for lunch or diving into deep work, setting your status to away in Slack is a powerful little tool to keep your colleagues in the loop. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide on setting your Slack status has enhanced your workflow. Stay tuned for more practical tips and tricks in upcoming videos. Until then, have a fantastic day.